tightness a bit as well.
Although one of them just broken off.
Welcome back. I'm out in the woods again. This time I'm up in Surrey, camping with Steve, the stake detective. Alan's come down with me as well. There's Alan, and Steve's over there somewhere hiding, I think. But yeah, I've got the old vintage tent out with me tonight. So that's nice. I haven't used that for a little while. Can of neck oil on the go. Oh look, there's Steve. Oh, he's got a potato masher.
They're laughing at me, but I assure you, Jerry's a... Don't look at that, some sort of lollipop.
I got a lollipop!
I've got to wash that now.
It's not a very tasty lollipop.
Top comes off.
Should we show them your setup?
Show them the setup.
Okay. Here's
Let's go and see the setup.
here's Steve's setup. What is that, Steve?
So this is a Roban Starlight 2 tent. I've had this for about 8 years. It's great. It's really sturdy. It's got one single aluminium pole over the top, 4 pegging points there. Really quick to put up. Really
Yeah. No one really cares. But there's Steve's setup. Let's go have a look at Allan's. Here's Allan's setup. He's just gone with his hammock, his pocket hammock, his DD under blanket, and his I can't remember what tarp that is. Solidac tarp. There we go. It'll be toasty warm tonight. It's not going to rain, so it's not meant to be cold. So, actually, it is meant to rain early hours of the morning, but we'll be fine. We'll be asleep. But yeah. Anyway, catch you later. Bye. Mwah. So, as you guys know, I am back out here in the Surrey Hills, and I've got to say, this is a lovely woodland. Never been in this woodland before. This is completely different woods to the last one I stayed in when I come up here. But yeah, it's lovely. I've just been having a little wander around, a little bit of an explore to see what I can see and film, and yeah, it's very nice. Very quiet as well. Very quiet here. Apart from the odd plane going over, but yeah, it's nice. Enjoying it. As you can tell, it's dark now. Got the little Miffa lantern and Bluetooth speaker there. We've got a tarp up. You probably can't see it because it's meant to hoof it down later on, early hours of the morning. So if it comes early, you know, we're covered and we're comfy, aren't we? We are. Oh, yeah. We are. We're comfy. But yeah, we're just sitting here chilling. We're going to get the fire going soon. So catch you in a bit. Ta-ra! I like how you used your bushcraft lighter
Do you like that?
Yes.
Very impressive.
You can't put bushcraft in the title now.
No. No, I didn't do it.
You've lost that privilege.
They'll think I'm an imposter.
Blow, Steve, blow.
Thought you'd never ask, old chap.
Get your laughing gear around this.
Everything's very damp.
That's what she said!
Very damp. She's going.
That'll go.
She's going, mate. Ow. So, for dinner tonight we're having sausage and mash. And Steve's mashed potato is brought quite funny. We're very immature, let's put it that way.
It's from Deutschland, you know. Germany.
Yeah, it's from Germany.
What's it called, Mark?
Fanny! Look at that! It's actually Fanny!
Mark likes a bit of fanny with his sausage, don't you, old chap? So does Allan.
I love
I like a good bit of fanny now and again.
Yeah.
I'm
like
not
fanny.
sure that I quite have it on the plate, but yeah.
You will. You'll love a bit of fanny with your sausage and a big onion gravy.
I love putting my sausage in a bit of Fanny. It's just funny.
It's called fanny. Just Kartoffeln puree.
It's Fanny mash.
Oh, fanny's mash.
It's Fanny mash. It's Fanny. I do can't do it. Have your Fanny back. I wonder what it tastes like.
Fish.
He likes a bit of fanny, old chap.
Bit of Fanny. I need more beer. Bye. Well, there's our dinner for tonight. We got some nice sausages, pork and caramelised red onion, and an onion, with some gravy, and we got the Fanny mashed potato right there. So yeah, that is dinner. Oh, and Alan's making onion gravy. So yes, it's gonna be good. All right, on with the sausages. Oh. Ooh. There we go. Nice.
I want to stick my sausage in the fanny.
Oh yes,
that
right
one.
in the Fanny. Would anyone else like any more gravy?
No, you finish it,
okay,
old
mate.
chap.
Dinner's done. Got our mashed potato, our Fanny, onion gravy, sausages. How's everyone's Fanny? I mean mashed potato.
Very good.
My sausage has gone very well into this fanny.
Good.
This Deutsches Kartoffeln puree.
Very nice Fanny. I mean mashed potato. Anyway, we're going to eat this. Bugger off. Catch you in a bit.
Cheers,
Ta-ra.
old chaps.
Good morning. We've woken up to a thunderstorm. Nice. It's about 7:30. slept really well, but the rain's coming down. Get up when it stops, I think. Yeah. Well, we are up. Morning, Steve.
Morning, old chap.
Alan's behind over there somewhere, packing his stuff away. It's just started raining again. Got another cup of coffee on the go. Hopefully you can see me alright. It's very dark in the woods here today, and my camera light's packed away in my bag, and I can't be asked to go get it, so it's tough. Did you sleep alright?
I slept very well, thank you.
Cool. Nice.
We heard some deer last night come around the back of the tent, and yeah, it's very good, very good. That noise you can hear in the background is some dogs.
Yep. And the rain.
Rain.
It's raining again. Oh well, never mind. It's all part of it. It's all part of it, Steve, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Behind enemy lines.
Behind enemy lines and all that chat. No sound of Jerry, which is always good.
Yeah. But yeah, I think we're going to have our coffees and that and start packing away and head on out of here. And obviously leave no trace. So, catch you in a bit. Ta-ra. For that. My chair is like a proper recliner to the point I can't get out of it. I actually can't get out of this thing.
Want me to help you up like an old person, Mark? Please. I'll help you. Oh, come on, RAP, Mark. You'll be all right.
Oh, the chair is...
Bit of flatulence there.
Well, as you can see, the ground is so soft, my chair appears to have sunken. Oh dear. I need a new chair, and I need some proper mud feet on my next chair, I think. Oh dear. It's raining, Alan.
I had noticed, funny enough. Even if a blind man would hear it, wouldn't they? I mean, it's proverbially pissing down.
It is hoofing it down. Jesus. Well, that's it. Another video's done. So it's a goodbye from us and this rainy part of Surrey.
In the wetlands.
In the wetlands, yes. But yeah, that's where me and Steve were, over there. That's all gone. Wouldn't know we were there. That's where our fire was, all gone. Wouldn't know we was there. Well, thanks for having us. I was going to say down, but up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're very welcome, old chaps. It's lovely to see you up here. And it won't be long. We'll meet again.
Yes. Christmas bovvy camp. Ooh. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video. Ta-ra.
Bye.